សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube channel Dara Yin. So this is the main pagoda, worship place, or the place that all the monks they come here to learn all the Buddhist chantings here. Like they come early in the morning to learn all the Buddhist teachings every day. This pagoda is very nice pagoda. This is, as I mentioned, this main, temple, we say temple, is for the monks, learning there, inside. So the compound is very nice here. See? It's cool. I mean, it's all trees around, all stupas around that. And then many people wonder, why there are stupas in the pagoda. In our culture, in the Khmer culture, especially for Buddhist followers, the pagoda is the main campus for putting all the dead people in here. So, for example, people who are rich, not very rich, but if you have big family, so you contribute some money. If your father or your mother dies, so they gonna take them to the pagoda compound, because they feel like in the pagoda compound is a peaceful place where old people come and learn and listen all the Buddhist teaching. So that's why when people die, he or she prefer their relatives to put them in the pagoda compound, so that the spirits can listen to the Buddha teaching. So that's why when you come to the pagoda compound, in every pagoda compound in this country, you will see all stupas inside the pagoda compound or in the wat. You see, in this pagoda, Udong Minjay Pagoda is the name of the pagoda. It's a big compound, and I can see now. See this gorgeous, stupa here. This gorgeous stupas here. Very nice, and I like the blend, no color at all, just original, cement, and they put some decoration. This is lion, this broken lion here. It's very gorgeous and big, and a lot of money to build this kind of stupas, And if you see from this stand here, see there are few stupas out there also. And this one, man, look at that. This one here, very nice, beautiful color, gorgeous. So the families must be very rich, because they build the stupas very big and nice. At least like $20,000 or $30,000 to build that type of stupas. Okay. So now I'm going to take you to the main, the other main, temple for receiving, what you call, receiving Buddhist follower during a Buddhist day. So where people are gathering. That's you can see from this stand now. See, that's a big, other big temple over there. So that special, location or temple, they use it for Buddhist follower to come and bring the foods there. See, for example, like you don't see many people this day, because I come in a very unusual day that people do not come to Para at this time. But during Khmer New Year, Phumban is another festival that in the Khmer culture, that's a festival that they offer the food to the spirits. It's a big day in Cambodia. So in like Khmer New Year or Phumban, big events like this, they use this compound, to meet all the Buddhist follower. All the food display, you see, all the food we display that in that floor. I'm walking now to show you the floor. It's not clean because as I mentioned, it's unusual day. You see? Yeah, very nice. Here, if there's an event, there's very crowded people here. Very crowded here. This is where they put incense. When people lighting incense, they put it here. And the big Buddha stupa over there. Beautiful, gorgeous. Yeah. As you can see here from here. See? Very nice. Very nice. And they have all the paintings, nice color, talking about the Buddhist life, the Buddha life, you know. Very nice. Yeah. There are many small, like this, houses, I would say houses or hall, maybe a hall, I think that's a good word, hall, that the head of this pagoda, he's along with the Buddhist followers in along with the committee, they build this type of hall for receiving people during the big event. Okay, very nice. And over there, so you can see, yeah, this is a very nice, I would say that's a nice, nice pagoda compound, because you can see when I walk maybe 10-15 minutes already, but mostly it's cement. They put cement here, and very good, because the river is not muddy, because during the rainy season, especially Chumban, is a rain season. So the head of the monk here, he put cement almost, you know, the entire, you know, compound of this pagoda, except the pond over there, because they want to keep it for water. And this is a huge tree. Some people told me that this type of tree called Buddha tree. See, very nice shade. If you go inside under the Buddha tree, I feel so good. Yeah, I feel so good. I feel so good here. See, because it's very nice, and you can feel. You can feel the breathing coming out. See? Very nice. See, compound stupas all over the compound. That's very nice. I like this cement road inside the pagoda. From this stand, you can see the elephants. I think they built to represent the war time, like years ago. See? Very nice. I like it so much. Yeah, very nice. There's another, you know, place here that the monk of this pagoda, he built for people when they visit the pagoda during a special day. Oh, guys, I can see another family over there. One tuk-tuk over there and one car over there beside my family. They are also come to visit the pagoda. There must be like their grandparents or their parents must die here, so they come here to visit, to pay respects to the spirits. You see, over here there are also big, you know, stupa. Very nice. Very nice. I like this pagoda, man. Guys, it's a good pagoda, and all trees, because not many trees now, as you know, in Cambodia, but here there are many trees inside this compound, this pagoda. I was talking about the elephants here, so 2 elephants, you know, it's a war elephant. Very nice. I like it. Yeah, very nice. See, so that's our family over there. Yeah, meeting the head of the monk over there. My parents-in-law, along with my sisters-in-law, brothers-in-law, come here to pay special contribute to the monk here. Yeah, it's very nice. So good. This is behind, guys. This is behind the main temple here. I just walk behind it. It's very nice. So guys, I hope you enjoy this cross-cultural walkthrough with me this morning. And if you have any question regarding Buddhism, please shoot me or give me comment on my channel, and I'm very happy to answer all the questions you have. Okay, here in Cambodia, it's very nice compound. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you very much for listening here.